Hello everyone. We will discuss how to install Windows Server 2016 step by step. I'm using VMWare Workstation 16 Pro. First, we go to create a new virtual machine. Click on this icon. Select typical and then go to next. Here I'll select ISO file. I'll download this file from Microsoft. If you are a fresher, you also download from Microsoft this ISO file and follow these steps. Search Google www.microsoft.com and enter this path and go to iOS wallet and continue and download this file. After that, go to next. I have no product key, so this folder is empty. I'll select this Windows Server 2016 standard core. Then go to next. Click yes. We will configure after some time product key and where you want to install your Windows Server. Provide here location. I have a custom folder, so I'll select this folder. Click on OK and go to next. Split virtual disk into multiple files. I'll select this option because if you want to store virtual disk as a single file, then you will choose this option. Otherwise, you can choose it. Maximum disk size is 60 GB because I'm using this as a test server, so it's plenty for me. And then go to next. Deselect this option power on virtual machine after creation and go to finish. Before going to install complete Windows Server, you can setting some edit virtual machine floppy. You will remove this. Click OK. Again, go to edit virtual machine setting and go to options, advanced, then click on BIOS and click on OK. Then go to power on the virtual machine. This step give you some time. So after that, we will configure some settings. Here you select your language which you want to install. I'll select this as a default language English US, and English US is currency or time and US, and then click to next. Install now. This step also takes some time. Here you will select Windows Server 2016 Standard Evolution Desktop Experience 64-bit and then click to next. Accept the license terms and then next. Click on custom install. Create a new partition. Apply. and then okay. This partition created by default, and it's created by me. So I'll install this file in this partition. Here this step is finished, and the system going to the start in 3 seconds. Create a new password. Enter your password, and then go to menu.